In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the E minor scale, the E minor pentatonic scale, and the E minor triads all over the neck. There's going to be a ton of information in this lesson. You're not going to want to miss it. I'm not going to do a ton of talking in this video because I'm going to be covering so much material. It would take forever for me to talk about everything that I'm playing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say there'll be prompts on the screen, there'll be text on the screen, and a lot of charts down below showing you exactly what I'm doing. Like it'll say E minor position 1, and then the charts then will say what I'm doing, whether I'm doing the scale, the pentatonic, or the triads. I think that'll just be a lot quicker to get through a ton of information. Thanks for checking out this E minor guitar lesson. If you liked it, leave a comment down below, or if you have any suggestions of other types of lessons you'd like to see me do on this channel, that would be awesome. And if you liked the video and the lesson, maybe think about subscribing to my channel, hit the bell, leave a comment, all that helps. I would really appreciate it. I don't have a very big channel and I'm trying to grow it. So any help you could give me, I would appreciate it. And of course, I will keep putting out guitar lessons to help you get better as a guitar player. Have a great day.